Hi, welcome to today's lesson. And this lesson is on Wassce 2025 Sierra Leone for elective maths, question number 5. And question 5 is on probability. And the question reads, if two fair dice are thrown together twice, find the probability of having a sum of 7 in the first row and a product of 10 in the second row. So this is our question. So from the question, it says that two fair dice are thrown. So it means that a die have a sample space of 6. So if two of them, it means 6 by 6. So it's better we draw the table to get it done well. So let's get our table done. So the first die is probably A, second die B. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. So with our table, we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and 1, 6. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, and 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. So this is our table that we are going to use. But let's first consider the first row, because the first row they use two dice. So the first row, and don't forget we're looking at it, each of them is independent. So the first row. So from the first row, it says that you should find the probability of having the sum of 7 in the first row. So it means we are going to look at this one, which one gives the sum of 7. So the sum of 7, we are going to have the various sample space to be the number of events. We have sum of 7. So we have 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, then 6, 1. So these are the values that add up to give you 7. So number of sample space, or number of events, or number of sum of 7 will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 6. Then we have the number of sample space. So when we consider this, the number of sample space will give us 36. So first you have to find the probability of those giving us having the sum. So probability of sum of 7. That one becomes n of sum of 7 and the number of sample space s, which gives us 6 over 36. And 6 over 36 will give us 6 goes here, 1 out of 6. So we have 1 out of 6 for the solution for the first part. Now when we read further, it says, and a product of 10 in the second row. So let's look at the second row. So in the second row, it means that which of them do you multiply to get 10? It means we are going to have 2 5 and 5 2. So we have that one to be 2 5 and 5 2. So that one, the number of product of 10 will give us 2. So probability of product of 10 will give us 2 out of the sample space, and that will be 36. And this is 1 out of 18. But from the question, it says that we should find the product of having the sum of this and that. So it's talking about intersection. Okay, so probability P of sum of 7 and product of 10 is equal to, that's 1 out of 6 times 1 out of 18. And this one will give you 1 out of 108. And that is the solution to question number 5. Continue to subscribe to Francois Maths Class on all our various channels. Have a nice day and bye-bye.